She walks the path her elders paved, holding stories of the brave. Echoes of a rising fight still live within her guiding light. Footsteps carried through the years, built with courage, hope, and fears. She stands steady, holding true to every oath they once lived through. She keeps the flame of history strong, guarding where her roots belong, honoring the voices still shaped by hope and iron will, standing at the bridge of time between the old and new designs. Traditions whisper in her ear, telling her what hearts revere. But change still calls beyond the shore, as truth reminds there may be more. She feels the pull to reconcile the past that shaped her inner style. Dreams that ask her to expand and build tomorrow's promised land.